And good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. Please, if you come, just subscribe, share, like. Sister Emilia in Piacenza, I greet you, Sister Emilia. Mr. Nyame Adomu Great Omo Wotepa, Ura Rabe Wotepa. Balance Ware, Choice TV, Blessing Williams, Talkative News, Chidami, I greet all of you. Coco Niger Mama, I greet you. And yesterday, your celebration was really amazing. May God bless you for your mind. As you tell they love people, where you tell they support people. Anywhere they carry your money from, where you tell they support God, go really replace all those money for you. Today we dey here once again. As we dey here, una know the work wey we dey do. We know they just dey come, make we come dey talk. We come, make we come give you information. Things wey dey happen in Italy. As una know say Italy now, the coronavirus wey don take over everywhere, e still dey go on. So every day, day in, day out, they bring new measures and restrictions. Now people wey una dey orange zone, they say make una no move for una municipality to another person municipality. No move from your region to another person region. People wey una dey yellow zone, orange zone. Now how you go tell know say you dey orange zone? Blacks in Europe TV, I go give you. You go know whether you dey orange zone, so that you will not face any multa, 1,000 euro multa. You no go face her, or 3 months imprisonment. You no go face her. We go also talk about Matteo Salvini, wey be like say he do pass himself. Misbehave where they carry and go court. This Saturday he go the court. Waiting Matteo Salvini he talk, and waiting go happen for Matteo Salvini and things where they happen. People who are there UK, who want travel go Ghana. Another wahala where he don't pop up for owner. We go still talk about those matters. So today now many more. Now we won't talk about, but with all. Because today we not get much time, we not go waste on our time at all. We go just do one quick. Make we move on. So as we want move on, where we want make a quick, may we not take, may we not waste your time. We go start from Matteo Salvini in matter. Now we go start everything from. When I know say this Matteo Salvini, now be Italian, their prime minister in 2018. Now this way Matteo Salvini now make law where be like say all the laws, he can't be like say the law, he can't they tie immigrants, the laws can't they bundle immigrants. Matteo Salvini with immigrants, it can't be like say desert with human being. You not just they match at all. You understand? So this Matteo Salvini make many laws, but all the laws, you not just rest for there. You understand? So he move in laws, still go far. Where be like say he read the states where be like say immigrants, where don't arrive from sea, they from Libya where they don't arrive. Instead of Matteo Salvini go allow these immigrants. May they stay the country. Matteo Salvini say, he no go allow. May they rescue these immigrants, bring them. He said, okay. This thing, Feka Augustine, greetings to you. You understand? So Matteo Salvini, he can't say no. He no go allow or make these immigrants, may they stay in the country. He no go allow, may they enter. So the rescue boats will rescue these immigrants. He say may they carry the immigrants come out for Italy land. They no go accept them. These immigrants they stay on the sea. They take well. So with this issue that time, because of that, all join Matteo Salvini. They can't remove him from in power. You understand? They remove him from in power as an interior minister before they come bring this woman where they call Luciana Lermogese. Say may himself come, may he come sit down, may he rule, may we know whether he go fit do things better or not. So the matter, as they remove Matteo Salvini, later on now they can't do impeachment. With that, they can't remove the power where people say if they ban Matteo Salvini, where he no fit go court. But recent days, the matter he don't reach court. Where people say they can't go court this past Saturday. But according to the report where from Matteo Salvini court, because European Union say wetin Matteo Salvini do, he no obey the United Nations law, and at the same time he no obey European Union law. So with this, they have to punish Matteo Salvini. But this punishment, na Italian court, which is in Palermo, now those people now they won't give Matteo Salvini punishment. But you know say Europe, they not just they carry say I won't go punish this person. You know be like my country where be like say government if he just get up because now he dey power, he won't do wetin he like. You understand? So because of that, they carry Matteo Salvini go court. But recent court where Matteo Salvini go, in one way in the talk, he say he never regret for keeping these immigrants where children dey, pregnant women dey. he leave them on sea for many days, 100 immigrants. He say he no regret because he do this thing to save Italian economy, to help Italian make their economy is strong. Because he said the way immigrants they enter Italy, so if not Germany, as you arrive, they will deport you. If not France, they don't go accept that nonsense. So why Italians and immigrants they expect say may Matteo Salvini every time may in they agree on anything wey be like say Italy people or immigrants where they arrive in the country, as they just come, he will accept them, may they enter. So he said he never regret, but he said the regret where in they regret. Now it be the lawyers and the judges where they waste their time for court say they won't stand on a matter, because in they see them say that they waste time, because in they see say because of common immigrants from Africa, una carry me come court say una won't come judge. So he said in the matter he not regret for anything at all. When be like say they happen and the court where they don't carry on come, he not care. If they like, may they carry on go even world court, he not care about that. So he not say he fight to protect Italy government, because Italy is not a refugee camp and he no go accept her. And every day, he day in day out, he go fight against all these things. That one are from Matteo Salvini. But now as I talk to you, the case, they say they don't postpone that to March. They go still call Matteo Salvini again. Maybe no punishment where they go feel give Matteo Salvini. But till now, where they never go the next court, nobody know whether the next court they will still postpone the issue, because when I know as government they do. If person will get money, he do wrong thing. For them to punish her, you understand? So it they hard where for them to punish her in the hard, so they will do say they don't postpone that, because according to the law, he said they don't postpone down to I think March 20th. Yeah, March 20th. Now they say they will still call Matteo Salvini again. May he stand in parliament. May he talk. May he explain the reason why he do that nonsense. Where he do that time. And the ship where that time Matteo Salvini he blocked them. The ship name now Open Hands. Open Hands. They open their hand. They receive immigrants. But Salvini that time, he denied them. These immigrants, they are almost 100 migrants where people say they arrived from Libya. In 2019, 9/10, it happened. The time when Matteo Salvini was an interior minister. But because of all those stubbornness we use in power do, they use force come on Matteo Salvini for imposition. Because if you know, the time when they do the election that time, Matteo Salvini not win one's hand, because he can't join in party with Luigi Di Maio party. Now he take carry Matteo Salvini come up, but he come out, he can't do say he big pass the law, he don't want to obey. So now waiting, don't carry Matteo Salvini go court 90 days. So me, my prayer, at least, even though they don't give her imprisonment, may they see good punishment give her. If you come out for this one, I'm sure say he go respect immigrants and he go still think say we be human beings. Because I sure say if now white people, if we don't leave them on sea like that, but because they be black, they do anyhow. Now, as we want move on, when we move on, go another news. We go come to the Italian coronavirus issue and the measures where they bat the news. Now small. People who are there UK or are there Ghana, where on a mind they tell when I say when I want travel with visa, go back to Ghana or come, go UK. Now, the visa office where they look, people where they travel from Ghana to UK to Ghana, their office where they Ghana, they don't close them. Because that house where they work for there, the house no be the UK embassy get her or government of Ghana now get her. Na person house now build, now they carry for rentage. So the person, he don't close the house, so the office don't close. But according to the UK High Commissioner, he said now they work. They find way where they will take fix all these things. But for now, they say they never know time where they go resume their work. Because if you know say UK, they don't command themselves from European Union. So now most of their thing, they don't postpone and they work well. For example, some application where they take the same money where before now UK people get them. Now those applications, if you use and take same money again. For example, this their app where they call tap send, where Ghanaians they use and they do mobile money. Now if you own they work, no be saying on your phone. Because UK come out itself from the European Union, most of their things where they work for Europe here, now they work again because everybody don't do new agreements. Everybody get new law. So now that free movement self, they again. So that's the reason why now most of the UK things, they function in Europe here. So that one now from people wey be like say una need things from UK where una be Ghanaians. And so they happen. Their office have been closed in Ghana. So if you want travel, go with a visas issue, anything concerning visa between UK and Ghana is closed for now. They say that they work on if everything work well. You where you get appointment where they don't postpone that or the office don't close, they go give you an email. So if you get anybody where they work or you need anything concerning UK, the in between Ghana and UK, now waiting they happen for them. Now let's go. My brother, where they call him Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Peter Pan. And one of our Nigeria brother, we be like say himself na musician, but in music, he say he no want sing music. We be like say na club they go sing. He say in no want sing music. We be like say na advice music. We be like say na gospel. So Peter Pan, he don't drop new song or new track. So if you just search on YouTube, Peter Pan, Peter and Pan, the Pan na P-A-N, Peter Pan. Tomorrow video where we go play the music for here, because today we not prepare everything. Later the day now I can't see the music, but tomorrow or next tomorrow any video where we go talk about this our brother Peter Pan in music. Now Nigeria brother in channel 9 day here Peter Pan Vevo. So if you go there, this our brother Mona supporter. At the time on our own brother, me and my in-law. But I still want promote am. So you where you be Nigeria, still support am. Tomorrow you go come be like Frank Edward. You understand? So still support am. And gospel music, we be like say it makes sense. So I beg more na go support am. In comment section, Peter Pan Vevo. Go there and subscribe and share his videos. I beg 183 people they watch the video. So I beg more na hate like. Now we won't go to Italy. There are new restrictions and bans. Where they na grammar restrictions and banned. We be like say me I not like and you self you no go like am. But these restrictions you now say now the coronavirus. We can talk and say it don't they come down some week, it go come down some week, it go rise again. But recent week coronavirus don't come down. But as it come down, they say now Italy now two type of colors now we get yellow and orange. But now they say the orange people we be like say when I want red, when I don't want red. Those people, many law don't dey their head where people wey una dey orange zone. Yellow people they no too get problem. And now no one dey red zone. The rest is yellow and orange. But the one where una dey orange, according to the law, they say you are not allowed to move outside your municipality. You are not allowed to move outside an autonomous province, which is a provincia. And you are not also allowed to go in zero unless work reasons or health reasons. So these two regions, where una dey orange, because una be immigrants, where me self na immigrant, I have to give you this information. May you know, if you know say you dey orange zone, may you not try go outside, go waka, where no be work issue. If you want waka, na only your commune. If your commune and a 3 house there, they say you are allowed to injure in that your particular commune with your masquerade and the stance. But if your commune where you there, you want travel go meet another person and you there orange zone, they say you are not allowed to do that in zero unless work reasons. Now it will make you go or health reason. Maybe for example, somebody you won't go to Questura, go receive in document, those people you are allowed to go. You understand? So those people you are allowed. So man read small, may not come be like say today I talk more than the read. He said stronger restriction in Calabria, Emilia Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and also Veneto. Movements only in the municipality. Here is the map and what you can do, region by regions. So here they say the stronger restrictions is in Calabria, Emilia Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and also Veneto. Veneto. Now those five regions. These 5 regions. Now these restrictions, they go for. Now let's go down. May we bring the things where he said in Rome, 11 January 2021, new week, new anti-COVID rule frameworks, new color definition. From today, all of Italy in the yellow zones. All of Italy are in yellow zones except Calabria, Emilia-Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and also Veneto, which remain orange. So now all the regions they yellow, but Calabria, Emilia-Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and also Veneto. These 5 regions or 6 regions, they orange. So now, if you know, say you did these 6 regions, I beg you go try your best. May you know, say you go respect the rules. So the orange zone, I repeat again, Calabria, Emilia-Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and Veneto. So let they try skip some of the news. I don't want to go more. So people who are on a yellow zone, let's read here. People who are on a yellow zone, things will go work in una area. It said closing yellow zones, the rules, closing of shopping centers on holidays and also a day before holidays, with exception of pharmacies, food outlets, tobacco, and also new agents, people where they sell newspapers. High schools, people who want to go school. Immigrants, we not too like school like that. From 11th of January 2021, face-to-face teaching is expected for 50% of high school students, but several regions have postponed. So some of the regions, because the coronavirus today, they don't postpone their own, they no agree. So now they say 50% of the students go. Kindergarten, elementary schools, and also middle schools. Face to face, them too, they don't start their own. So now schools, they work well. In catering service, bar, pubs, restaurants, ice cream, parlors, pastry shops, and the non-site administration will be interrupted from 6 p.m. So from the 5 a.m. to 6 p.m., some of these things in the yellow zone will be work. One takeaway is allowed from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. So people when they do takeaway 5 to 10 they go work. But people they come they sit down for on a place they chop. They say 6 p.m. you have to close your own. Okay, swimming pools, gyms, and also wellness centers remain closed. So people who won't go gym, more na get muscles. All those places, pools, they say they don't close all those areas. So some area they say they go open, but still they are still working on it. It depends if the corona go up or down. Now they go tell me whether they will close down or they don't go close down. Let's go here. Museums. Anywhere the museum where you won't go look history of the country. They say they don't close all those areas. He said, this Choice TV said you are very right because I live in Reggio Calabria. Okay, thank you very much, my sister. Thank you very much, Sister Choice. Now, let's go to the orange zone. Their rules. You understand? Orange zone. People who are there orange zone, where people say they don't give you a good and strong restrictions. Orange zones. He said moving in or out from one region to another and from one municipality to another is prohibited except for proving reasons of health, work, study, and situations of need. Listen it attentively. Here I don't know the meaning of that attentively, but I don't talk. So if you know, say you dey orange zone, which is the lines of Calabria, Lombardia, Emilia-Romagna, Veneto, and all those the 6 regions where I mentioned, make sure say you go obey this law. Moving in or out from region to another and from one municipality to another is prohibited. It's not allowed. Now they don't speak in another grammar say prohibited. So if you both tell you say something is prohibited, meaning say that thing you know fit do one. So if you did these 6 regions, moving from your municipality, your commune to another person commune, they no agree. Moving from your region to another person, they no agree. Except except, he put here, except health, hospital matter, work, study, school, or situation of need. So situation of need is not involved, say I won't go see my girlfriend. That one not join. Situation of need, mean say, not join, say, you don't tell where I see my husband, my boyfriend, or my girlfriend, if not your husband. Some places, the government, they allow. It depends the police here where you go catch them for road. So you understand? So maybe some people will be asking, how I go take know the region somewhere when I come late. He said, you go still use self-certification. So you need that paper where show where you go illustrate or explain, say you they go here or you they go that. You have to get that paper. He said, the activity of catering service, including bar, pubs, restaurants, ice cream parlors, pastry shops, suspended 7 days in a week. So all those places where they chop ice creams and all those things, they say they don't close down. While takeaway remains allowed until 10 p.m. with a ban of the consumptions on the spot or nearby. For home delivery, there are no restrictions. So for example, home delivery, they say you are allowed. Takeaway, you won't buy the food, but you don't want chop them for the restaurants. It's allowed. But people when I want to sit down there with when I get friends enjoy. They say if you did in these 6 regions, you cannot do that. It's prohibited. If they catch you, that one, nah, wahala for you. He said high school from 11 January, face-to-face teaching activity are frozen for 50%. So that area to the same school is also allowed for them to go. Swimming pools, gyms are closed as they started before. So the regions, if you don't know, let me repeat it again. I don't want to finish the video before you go call me say, bros, and I want to know whether my region join. Your region I won't mention for you. Calabria, Emilia-Romagna, Lombardia, Sicily, and Veneto. So if you there in all these regions, may you know say, you know feel they come out, they go another person commune. You know feel they come out, they go another person region. Calabria, Romagna, Lombardy, Sicily, and Veneto. I think 5 now. Yes, 5 regions. Now I don't mention so. So the Calabria, when I know that Emilia-Romagna, now the Bologna, Lombardia, now the Milano here, and the Sicily, Palermo side them. Now on a side they talk, and Veneto. When I still know that place me I don't know where they I don't know any city where I know for them, and only the Veneto I know. So that's how it is for the coronavirus restrictions and the ban. Now, this one where I won't go, let's go to sanatoria a bit. Sanatoria a bit. On our way, don't apply for sanatoria. Where your boss, na subordinato, he give you. No be say as your boss go right say na subordinato, he don't finish. Oh, he or she have to give you the contract. You must sign the contract of work. Where should say you dey apply for subordinato. So if you know say una talk una mind they tell una say as una talk they go give you the paper without showing the contract work, it no be possible. And I repeat, if you know say you get 6 months tempranel sanatoria, you need job in those sectors where they tell you before they will accept you to convert. Most of the job centers and the companies and the haciendas, if you get your 6 months sanatoria, they will stop you work. Many people don't see waiting and they talk because we they investigate before talking. We know they talk out of point. Most of the people with their sanatoria 6 months don't enter their hand. When they know they work in that particular sectors where they talk about, your couple will tell you, say that paper, you are not allowed to work in company because they don't select some part of sectors where you go feel work in. 202 people are watching, but now only 3 people don't like the video. And this one automatically tells me that no one liked the program that I'm doing. So next week, we go start cooking section for here. Now banga soup we will come they cook because they don't like the program. I just they talk they throw away. No one is appreciating what I'm doing. It's like I'm talking for nothing. Then we will stop it and we start cooking. We will cook jollof rice. We will cook rice and beans. We will cook nkobi. All those things, I think say people go look the way I tell they cook for house. My people, now one of our brother and I call me for the program. They come. DJ DY, man give a message, me no call again. So my people now so it be as when I don't like the program. Huh? Offensala. Wait a minute.
Insala soup.
Okay, we go to cook offensala, insala soup. Now my wife they teach me that one. That one I don't get any idea. Maybe now Chidani them they know waiting it be. Man see DJ DY. Chidani una know waiting be offensala. Hey, now wow. Insala soup. Okay. DY. Okay. So hit the like button, share, may we still continue small. They come person call me, I won't give a message, may not call again, but I think the person know the pick call, but we will continue because he disturbed the network. So when I understand, so if we not like the video, we better say we go come the cook. That one I think people will like. MK World Great TV. Thank you for joining. George Anderson, thank you. Peter Pan, he said, bro, what about Milano? Milano na be that Lombardia where I talk about. He said, good evening, please go on. We love what you are doing. But when I not like the video, Chino, Danny also he said, you will keep for house now more that for you. So I not get you. He said, when a product now keep for house, which product? Now the flower where they here. This flower now they talk about. I don't know, unless you show me the ofesala. Okay, you know the soup. Okay, he said good evening, sir. So please, you know, say if you did those sectors, try your best as much as you can. May you find job in the sectors where they tell you this matter. I don't talk more than 65 days, but still people will be calling you. Calling you and asking you the same question where every day you they talk on the platform. He said we all like your patronage, bro. Okay, this one he said your wife don't teach you Igbo finish. Now I don't they learn as small. I don't they learn Yoruba self I still they hear because I learn Yoruba from one of my wife friend. I don't they hear that one. Now Benin now I go come they learn now small. You know, say most of my friends na Benin people, but they know they agree they teach me. If I they talk to them, they insult me. Now make they no want teach me. He say, bro, my yellow card message refused to show how cost. Okay, you can call me 3512377125. If you have any question, you go feast as we go move on. So this one, you say your yellow card, you know they show again or how? You know they feel they withdraw money or they know they allow you to use and buy anything. Maybe they don't cancel them because as I said, most of the people in this December and January, most of the people they don't pay them their money again. They block a lot of people. Now make I say, if you won't go renew your EZ for this year, try your best as much as you can. May you tell them your new number and everything about you. You understand? Who get house contract? Try. May you let them know. Say you they rent house. Put all those things. The family where wanna be. Put all of them their name inside because this January a lot of bonuses go come where the government you want you stay support. But we our program we not like. Something wey be like say it's not yet confirmed. Maybe we can't talk. We like the one where we go tell you tomorrow they do. And not be say I go come report news where maybe 6 months time. Now they won't do that thing. You know say that one you not get level. We need the one where don't already done. You understand? So we go talk about which one of your wife are you which one of your wife are you talking about? Baby Nash TV, I greet you, Baby Nash. He said, please, my people, press like button. Uzula Chino, my people they don't want like the video and I don't know why. Now so Peter Pan, I beg Mona show this our brother love for in channel. Peter Pan Vervo, Mona go subscribe for in music. Really they do amazing music. I beg Mona try. Mona subscribe. True for the material document. The There I collect my document. That is what police tell me. He said the true news na true for Sanatoria. Okay, thank you, Timothy Friday. Thank you very much. As you don't confirm from your area. 3512377125. 3512377125. That be the number where you go fee call us. He said, don't worry, we go like your program, bro. No problem. 3512377125. I don't want to finish the program. You go tell me say na private talk you with me get. If you get something to ask, you can ask it now. 3512377125. You go ask, I go reply. You know, because I go finish the program before you go tell me say you get question to ask. And people will be like say when I won't apply for this one I won't tell when you know say Italy here, for example, as I move from Alexandria to Asti, you know, I have to change my residence to here. So as I arrive, I go to waiting they call am the commune, I go apply for the residence. But as I read there, they tell me say unless on the 13th of January before I go fee can't do the resident, and you don't tell. Now they come say, but there is a procedure where we go fee apply online. I apply up to date. Email where they say they go give me up to today, they don't give me. Today na 11th, on the 13th a weekday. Next tomorrow, you see, so most of the times all these things where Israel and all those stuffs, you better go your CAF office, speed, go to poster, you understand, because that place where they tell you say online go do one, no go work for you. You better go the CAF office, hear the language, wetin they tell you, make you understand, because even as you don't go the office, they don't want do for you. Talk less of online. Now you won't go waste your time say you won't do one online. You better go to the post office, they go do one for you. You understand? So because a lot of things they say do one for online, but the moment where you type your details where they say this one as stranieri, as they see your stranieri self, they don't bounce you for there. So you better you go there one on one, you go do everything go there less harder for you, because let's pick this call and move on. Hello, caller.
Hello, God.
Yeah, good evening. Summarize your question and let's move on.
Good evening, sir. Okay, now this is where I've been want to ask about.
Yeah.
Because I read that for person hand, and the person I don't say do is there last year anyway. I want to renew, and you know say our Nigeria people maybe they ask for the contract now. You know, it just they turn me around. I don't know whether I will feel renew without contract.
Yeah, even though you not get the house contract, you feel renewal. It no matter.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Yeah, this is our sister question. The house contract, if you get the house contract, you go put am inside like that, you go less your easier. But if you don't get the house contract, no be force say because you not get the house contract, you no fit renew the easy. You go fit renew one even though the house contract no dey. You understand? But e good if you get house wey be your own house wey you don rent, you go put the house contract inside wey go help you make everything dey good and e no go stress you. You understand? So 3512377125. We get only 5 minutes to go, just 5 minutes to go. So if you get any question about it, you go let us know. We go help you. We go try the best way we go fit try. We go solve your problem for you. I don't want to finish the program before you go call say bros I get question, you understand? So if you try your best, ask the question quick, we will solve the problem for you. So 3512377125. He said, bro, please, how about Scalazione? Okay, I'll try, so I'll go do video about it, but still, I never talk anything about that. But ma try, maybe tomorrow, then we will try. He said, bro, please, your number, 3512377125. 3512377125. If you call this number, you go fit get any information where you need. You go get all information where you need. 3512377125. 3512377125. If you call, let me pin the number for you guys so that everybody 3512377125. Yeah, I don't send the number con, so please you can check it. If you check it, then you call, you go ask, you say, bro, good evening. What about someone that lives in Brescia, Lombardia, and have work in Bologna? They say if work reason, you can go. So if na work reason, you can go. Hit the like button. The more we wanna they ask question, more na hit the like button. Are they with you? If na work reason, you can go anywhere you want to go. So far as na work reason. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Please lower your background noise today.
Okay, I know. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, they hear you.
Okay, sir.
We did. Please summarize your question quick.
Okay. And I call you before. I told you thing about strike. You said I have 2 years. So say you will do the video, but I'll still wait.
Yeah. I forgot. I tried to do the video yesterday because one or two things not complete for me. Now make but I will try tomorrow. Ma do about the Sprite issue. No one and get the number, please. I'm sorry, but please tomorrow I promise I'll do that.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. So tomorrow I go do the video about the Sprite and the numbers what I go give you now. People where they look on all the Sprite where they Europe here, all the Sprite, any Sprite at all. Now them they look on in Italy here. Now them go decide whether you go stay or you don't go stay. Now them go decide whether may they do this or may they not do. I go do video about them and explain one or two things about them to you. He said, brother, so they never talk anything about. Yeah, I said now, for now, I never get any info about that. For now, I never get any info. And I know he said, how are you doing? Long time. Kofi Clifford. Okay, long time. Me, I do now, you know, they come here. But me, my channel, it day 247. Information, no, they finish. Unless we say we no go do. And anytime, no authentic. No the creativities. You understand? So we day 247. 3512 123 77 125. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
I just want to know about the document that we applied for this. I'm going to say. Hello.
I'm with you. Which document? Document many.
Document where they apply now. That one will pay 500 euro for.
Sanatoria.
Yes. Do you hear anything about that?
Which one you want to know about? Because if I don't hear something, I many things. So which one you want to know about?
Sanatoria, and that one because me apply for.
I know. So waiting you want to know about the sanatoria. You know if I say whether I know something about. If I want stories, they call people since. They call people sense, but now patient you go have. It depends the time where you take apply your own. But the best thing still, I know. Listen to me, bro. Listen. If they never call you, you can go to the CAF office, make they control for you whether your process is correct.
I don't go CAF office. CAF tell me say nobody me want apply. Say they never saw me come make.
So then exercise patience as you don't go control.
Thank
you. You are welcome. So the sanatoria, that's how it is. If you apply in a process, they call one after the other. And as all of us we know, now Questura, their work, they regular as before. They do, and you understand. Now things they slow, you understand. So most of the thing they delay. You understand. Most of the people say their passport, their plastic don't come out, but because of Questura, their work they move fast. If you go, they go tell you say go, may you come again, may you come next week, and all those stuffs. So most of the things, like for example, there are people where they go courts, their issue, some they don't suspend some of the issue, some the matter they don't postpone down to another day because the things they work well. As last month at talker say most of the things, if you suppose come maybe 2019 October, maybe you go 2020 October or 2021 October, they move the thing. They move on because maybe somebody wey suppose come maybe this January 20th in appointment because of corona, they not come let am come. So you where you suppose go February 20th, they go put the January 20th on February 20th. You where you there February, they will go put your own for March 20th. Who there March 20th go April. Like that, now they say they do the thing, they arrange according to the order. So now things really they hard in the country. Things they move well as we say they do one before, because before if you they do anything, they move on fast. But now things they delay. So anything where we go see now manage we go the manager and small. He said, I will go to Roma for my passport. Can I go to Roma? So far as you get paper, any proof where you go show to them, say, see waiting, I won't go take. And if you know say the passport, if you go collect am anytime where you want, you can relax. If you see say things go down small, you go collect am, because there is a case where sometimes maybe where you won't go, you not gonna get good proof. You go see bad controller. If they go give your enemy that 1,000 euro, and I know say you know ready to pay that 1,000 euro for any controller, you understand? So that's how it is. This one, he said I need to just try and learn one hard work like or try and okay. This one, he said is one of your message that I see you on marriage too. I'm so much happiness for you, bro. Congratulations. Okay, you see my marriage. Yeah, I don't marry since, yeah, I think almost 2 months or 3 months now. Yeah, so thank you for congratulating me. If you never marry, you yourself, God will give you a good wife where you yourself you go marry. Now so it be. Let me take 1 or 2 calls before we go end. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah.
good evening.
Good evening.
I'm in country. You can't come here.
Me ba chani ya ukasa nentente ma ni enkweni.
Okay, my call post office one. After apply speed. Many bonus. After bonus, me enta eyi. Me call me start call back. Mo me say and ye. I'm me friend number there. Officer number so. Which is
Yeah.
I feel I'm going to be okay. You can get a laptop or something. So I say,
Na speed no okoji ye no activate speed no. Omo ye activation. For example, once okoji speed na omo beji with email, no ma send you message, send message or email, and I say a normal message na be ba e ba no wa click a message so no activate you. Wo de no ye ne sa.
Okay, man can salmon. I look at them and download app and tell them my entire.
Because speed na activate here, speed na enye adwuma. So what you say akwa say oko ye adwuma bi na bia ye se adwuma no ansa na ye be fa wo na ye be twere odin wi ye be ma okrata fa ko police station akoko twia utua wi na o ma activate you. Ena wo je krata no na wo twere odin eye bibia na mom sika na o me de ma o se kokotua no police no no ko ye wan dua sika no wo gidi se wadwuma no be fa because wan dua sika na register wa twere odin keke. Sa post for na tin one to your message sa Gmail message no no e wo say wo de on sa boso so wo hwe message no o ma kire say so person wo activate we email na e wo say wo bo link na e wo ho no so wo de hwe message no na hwe o mo ka say wo say wo boso nti e bia wo na wanti ase e wie nti post wo de okọ ha o meka che so wo speed ba o mo no eno mo no mbe activate amount sa email no o mo de ma wo no e na wo di be activate na speed na ya adwuma.
Okay, and yeah, my plan is as well.
Okay, but for now no me say I expire so I wouldn't me apply this CRBM because normally man them so over 10 days I was already activate say you know but the beginning na wo want to see e want so mo so Italy no kwa the wa o Messi akana no one round why you confused
and then
okay
yeah man.
So our brother to Ghanaian brother, he asked of email issue. That's why we change the language because he go apply for either. After he apply, he be like say you know activate. But if you not activate the speed, if you go back to the post office, they will tell you say you get speed because your name there they say they don't give you speed. Now you suppose activate them by your own self. He said, Mama Gloria, I hope you are hearing Ghana because. The way your husband is speaking it, I think Ghana language is so hard to. Gloria, I did hear some, but he never hear all. But me, I know the teacher, and my friends the teacher. Me, I know the teacher. Because he self no dey teach me Igbo. Na me self I dey try. If he dey speak am with him mama dem, me self go dey pick some. So na so e be. So the if you know say you don do the speed, if you do the speed, try your best. As they give you the message say activate am, you go try that email, you go activate am. If you no activate am, the speed e no go work for you. So that one to try, make you put am in your own mind. 3512377125 3512377125. Ghana, our language e no hard at all. E no hard. Yeah, na very easy for you to speak. If you come Ghana, at least by 1 month, you go start to dey speak Ghana. Any Nigeria wey don go Ghana, e go tell you, say, please, what is the function of the speed? The speed, there is some application wey be like say Italy people dey use, wey dey call am IO app, IOEO app. You understand? That IO app, before you go fit activate am, you need that speed. And the speed, e dey do a lot of things. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Am I speaking with Blacks in Heroes TV?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Please, I want to ask you some questions, but it doesn't relate to what you are, the news you are giving today.
Okay.
Yeah, please, we have a Dublin case. We are in Germany before. We stayed in Germany before we come back to Italy. So when we came back to here in Italy, German government insists that they should bring us back to Germany.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and we don't want to go back. We take the matter to court. Ever since then, my brother, getting to 1 year now, we have not heard anything from the judge. Whether coronavirus has killed George, I don't know. So,
But you not get lawyer.
when you even get lawyers are even confused past me. So the thing don't tire me, and they don't even call us for interview. They are just giving us three months sojourn. Even the 3 months is like 1 month, because before they'll give us if you expire. So I don't know the next thing to do. I'm tired of waiting. Let me go if you have an idea.
The only idea na be that same court, because now no be say na lawyer problem, na judge problem. Na judge never respond, and as judge never respond, wey dey give you renewal of the one month or whatever, na patient you go just have. Because now if say na the lawyer no dey waka on the issue, you go come say we go say change lawyer. But now as you say the lawyer no to get any problem, na the judge, judge too, they no dey change judge.
Okay.
You see the issue?
Yeah, but as the case, because of the case is in court, they say they will not call us for interview. And I was even like, let me go and tell the lawyer, if the lawyer will write judge, so that they will start off the procedure. But my camp people were like, I should wait until we hear from judge. Yeah,
now be the only thing. Because the thing na patience, and say because of the coronavirus, most of the court cases, they don't suspend them, Yeah, so na patience.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Yeah.
So guys, now so e just be na small now. The coronavirus, e don take a lot of things, e don take over a lot of things. So na patience all of us we go have, na patience we will just have, exercise patience, and with God all things are possible for us. Because now this situation e hard, so as I take conclude that una wey know say una dey this orange zone, abeg una make una try to obey the rules and regulations, because that 1,000 euro you dey see am say maybe e no fit happen, but if they use am jam you, you go know say the things na real. Una wey dey tomorrow, una hit the like. Una wey never subscribe, no una subscribe to this channel, and tomorrow we go come. Those of una wey maybe una dey outside camp, wey una wan know more about, or una dey inside camp about Sprite, how they go take settle you and all those stuffs. Tomorrow we go still educate our people about. We go educate our people. Maybe if you wan know your rights as you dey the Sprite, maybe some of the things the camp people suppose do for you, but they no wan do. You understand? I go drop the number, but the number na oyibo dey handle them. If you go koko say you wan call as you dey call me, they no dey accept am. If you get reasonable question about your Sprite, now you go fit call, ask all those questions. Hello? Please. Hello? Abeg lower your background. You hear? I no fit hear anything wey you dey talk. Good evening. We dey strong. Yeah, you are free to ask.
Sir, this register the Manchester. I don't know that they will pay for this January.
That one me self no fee confirm say they go pay or not, because now IMS people they do their work, now them know the arrangements and how they go pay and how they take counter. You understand? So now patient, if they go pay, you go come your account. If they no pay, meaning say you no go show. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, and when I will get the ready to the Chitadinans, I said yesterday and previous videos, nobody should panic. If they never call you for the convocazione from the Centro per Impiego, there is no need for you to go and cancel it. And if they never call you, they don't give you any muta. If they no more you receive some they cut automatic, some they cut automatic by them own self, and some they go call you say you by yourself go cut, and some they go call you, they go say okay you are free, you can go. So no go rush cut. Just as exercise your patience. So maybe they will tell you say cut or this or that. Show you to understand. So that's how it is for the ready to the Chitadinanza. If they never call you say go cancel, no go cancel anything. Maybe your friend own, they say may cancel. That doesn't mean say your own self cancel, because everybody gets in document process and in lack where in get. Maybe you with the friend get the same paper. They say may in cancel in own by your own. They will say user. So not cancel because your friend say. No cancel because now your friend now he say. I beg. No be so the thing they work. Everybody get in head. You feel go commission, you with one person get the same story. Story where you talk, now the same person talking. They feel give the person paper, they no go give you. Or they feel give you, they no go give the person. Everything is lack. So now so it be for the ready to the Chitadinanza. Now so it be no panic on that, no fear, relax. But the most important thing, if you know say your number on the easel don't change, try your best this January where you won't renew your easel, you go put her. Now be the only update where they nothing like that. Put the number in case if they call you for any info, they will reach you out. And this one not be only ready to the easel. Most office where you know say we give them number before for some things where that number no they work again. It better as person as immigrant, you have to re-go there and give them the new number where you they use in case if they want to get in touch with you, it go there easy. Maybe address where you give them, you don't come up for that particular area. You go give them new address where you they stay. In case something, they go reach you, may not turn to problem on your enemy head. That one advice, if you like, now you they take. If you like, you know they take her. Nobody they force anybody for advice. But it go good, help you by yourself. Because if they won't send the message of the convocation, they send an automatic. So them, your number where they don't select the number sender, they still say you don't come, now you don't obey the law. Because they say if they call you, you not come, they go bring muta for you or your enemy. So for you not to receive the muta, it good. May you go put correct number where they go get in touch with you. Now only here you go get the sources and advice. Every day as I they talk, our info with the wait, may they confirmed, not sources, not rumors. Hey, let's pick another call. Hello.
Hello?
Please, your background, may you lower your background.
I don't answer another question.
You
For
did.
this yellow card register the Chitadinanza, I don't know why they block my own.
Nobody go know. Maybe you are not qualified. Now make the blocker.
I began 5 years before.
It,
They block them.
it doesn't matter. Even though you get 5 years, some people maybe you get work now they block, and some people they look into your issue. They can see say you know they qualify. Some people maybe waiting you go declare for IMS. They go check and a lie. Now make the blocker. So they use different issue to block the ready to. Maybe you go the house where you they stay now you with man they there. You can't say now only you they there. They feel blocker. Many issues now they go fit stand on take blocker. Maybe you they camp. They see say they receive money from government. They go fit blocker. Maybe they see say they receive other many bonuses from government. They blocker. maybe you don't receive reddito the emergenza joining the reddito the cittadinanza, they fit block am. So nobody fit know the reason why they block am. Even the CAF people no go know. Na only him na know why he block am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So the way to block the thing na many issues, you understand. Some people maybe IMS don see say bonus wey you dey receive e too many, they fit block am. You understand. Some dey receive emergenza, still dey receive cittadinanza, they fit block one because you are not allowed to receive the two. Some dey camp, they fit block am. Some dey camp, they go still let them receive the money. So the IMS na know as e take dey check in things, nobody fit go question am. Because if you question am, he be like say na court your enemy won't go. You understand? So now relax. If they say they go pay, we go receive. They say no, we go also they go. Shall you understand? So thank you for liking the video and subscribing to this channel. May God bless you always, as we promise, good news and good information. I'm be waiting with the bring. Our video, we know they do because people they do. We they do the video because we have the good information which we want to drop for you. And I make we they do one. This one, Samuel, he said, good evening, my brother. Good evening to you. He said, please, can I open poster now or they have changed posted? I don't know unless you go to the poster before you go get all this info because I don't get any information from poster and I'm not working there. So if you go there, you go ask them whether they will do for you tomorrow. I think you can also do that. You understand? May God bless all of you now way they support this channel, and I really appreciate if I come as on a day with me more than an hour. You understand? People still there with you. That tells you that the people really love you. We said them say you feel only take cheetah the emergency only when you don't make 10. I don't understand cheetah the emergency. I don't know that one way they talk about. So may God bless you. Now I know the love you guys have for me and the channel is amazing, and I really appreciate. May God bless honor like that. The more honor they support the channel, the more we self we work harder and harder. And because without honor, we know you understand. So we too, as we they come honor, they follow up with the info. But no be so honor go hear and honor no go use am. As you listening to the info, you go apply towards it. May you not fall into any victim. That's why any update we will come day in, day out. I'm trying my best to drop the info for you all. Greetings to Blessing Williams, Choice TV, Chief Danny and wife. Greetings to Sister Emilia in Piacenza and husband. And greetings to who again? I don't know who I will greet again. Balance Way and Co. Elements online business is still they go on. You go register with 85 euro. If you register 85 euro, every week they pay $100. So if you move from you move to consultant, they go you move to senior consultant, you go they receive 180. If you go more than senior consultant, they will still increase them. So the more people they many under you, the more they pay you. Okay. I hear Gloria. So the more you people they many under you, the more they pay you. You understand? And every Sunday they pay the money. Last month, which is this January we enter, instead of the first Sunday where they supposed pay, they no pay. Now they pay this Sunday. So from there now every week now they pay. You understand? So you when you day house, you don't get any work, you won't join this element. Now very easy for you to join. 85 euro for your registration. And if you register, now obligatory. Say you go bring 3 people under you. The 3 people where you bring them to, they go bring their own 3 people. The more the people they many under you, the more you they earn more money. And you where you still they bring people, the more they many, the more you they earn more money. People they earn from 100 euro up to 1,000 and over. People where they management, where they director, you understand? Now grade you go from consultant to senior consultant and on, you understand? The thing is many. So the more you they go high, the more your money is still the high. So it's better if you know say you day house and you don't get any job opportunity, you go register on Element with this thing 100 euro 85 this thing euro, sorry, 85 euro. I they look something I make had a mistake for the amount. 85 euros. Now you go take register on Element. I dey try ma see the amount as they take arranger. Maybe I go fit explain it better and further for you. If you know say you know the work, as you can see, this one na WhatsApp group for the Element. People wey don join na in dey this WhatsApp group. If you register, we go put you through anything wey you wan understand. And at the same time, people wey dey upload receipt. For example, every week, things wey you go buy, or your husband buy, or your friend buy, the receipt you go upload am on your website. That one today dey pay 10% of the money every month for you, 10% of the money each month for you. So the Element na good business wey be like say all of us we don join. You no matter say you dey work or you no dey work, any work wey you dey do, you fit do the Element. Na just online. No be say they say make you go break wood or something like that. You understand? Just register €85. They will be paying you each week, and it's very good and amazing. So far as you get a smartphone, you can do this business, and you will not get any stress. Maybe someone will say go find work, go do this. As a whole, money they know they find at one place. As you they do job, this one an online business, you can use it to support yourself. It's very good. €85 for the registration. Now for example, if you register new, they call you a member. From a member, you go turn to founder. If you reach consultant, which you have 12 people under you, they will be paying you €100, $100 per a week, $100 per a week. If you reach senior consultant, they will pay you $180 per a week. If you reach executive consultant, they will pay you €280 per a week. If you reach manager, you understand, if you reach manager, they will still pay you almost 720. People wey dey senior manager, they receive more. You understand? Them today they receive 1,200. So now grade by grade they take arranger. Now very good business. Hello.
Brother, greet you.
I am.
This EO app.
IO app.
IO app. I don't do it, but I never see anything for there.
You activate and you never see. If you go to inside the wallet, or I think so, they don't show any bonus for there for you. Maybe because I hear say they say this week another bonus they come, cashback bonus they come there. But the app, you know, they this my phone, the one way they on top now take they live. So you go check am, because if you open and you get where you go click where they go show new bonus and all those things. So you must click and check. You go just say they go show say new bonus, and they go show you details who go fee apply and who no go fee apply.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will check that now.
Yeah, you have to check it. So the business na very good business. If you want join the business, you can call me, message me 3510851685. 3510851685 on WhatsApp. 3510851685. 3510851685. Element online business wey wan save you, make you get money. People dey receive 700, 1,000 and over. So wetin you dey wait for house wey you no fit register your own. So it's very good for you to join Element. €85 they register, you go achieve this money. But remember, if you register, you go bring 3 people under you. The more your people they grow, the more you self you they enjoy they go. Thank you. May God bless you. Until next time, adios.